Hey guys, Randy here at Ovation Music and Studios, Gallatin, Tennessee. Be sure to like us on Facebook and Instagram. I'll post links in the comments at the bottom. And today I have a quick tip for developing the pinky on your left hand. An exercise I like to do to work on this is refinger all of my chords from first finger, second finger, third finger to second finger, third finger, pinky. So your G chord normally would look like this. Switch it up to 2, 3 and pinky and you get this. C chord, you get this. D chord, you get this. And then you can play your songs with them.